There was a small village by the river. Everyone lived happily and offered regular prayers at the village temple. Once during the monsoon season, it rained heavily. The river started overflowing and the flood entered the village. Everyone started to evacuate their homes and set out to go to the safe place. One man ran to the temple. He quickly went to the sadhu's room and told him, "The flood water has entered into our homes and it is rising quickly, and the water has also started to enter the temple. We must leave the village, as in no time it will sink under the water. Everyone has set out to go to the safer place, and you must come along." The sadhu told the man, "I am not an atheistic like you all, and I have a full faith in God. I trust the God that He will come to save me. I will not leave the temple. You may go." So the man left. Soon the water level started to rise and reach the waist height. The priest climbed on the desk. After a few minutes, the man with a boat came to the rescue. He told the sadhu, "I was told by the villagers that you are still inside the temple, so I came to rescue you. Please climb on the boat." But the sadhu again refused to leave, giving him the same reason. So the boatman left. The water kept rising and reached to the ceiling. So the priest climbed on the top of the temple. He kept praying to God to save him. Soon the helicopter came. They dropped the rope ladder for the priest and asked him to climb on and get inside the helicopter so they can take him to a safer place. But the priest refused to live by giving him the same reason again. So the helicopter left to search and help others. The last, when the temple nearly submerged under the water, the priest kept his head up and started complaining, "Oh Lord, I worshipped you for all my life and kept my faith in you. Why didn't you come to save me?" The God appeared in front of him with a smile. He said, "Oh madman, I came to save you 3 times. I came running to you to ask you to live for the safest place with other villagers. I came with a boat. I came with a helicopter. What is my fault if you didn't recognize me?" The priest realized his mistake and asked for forgiveness. He got his chance to go to the safe place one more time, which he accepted. So friends, the moral of the story is, in life opportunities come unknowingly without any recognitions. We fail to recognize it and keep complaining that life didn't give us the opportunity to lead a successful life. Always take every chance you get to make a better life. I hope you like this story, and do comment your thoughts at the comment section, and make sure that you like this video and share them with those who miss their opportunities every now and then. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such amazing and motivational stories. See you then. I hope you all have a bright future.